As I told in the last video, many beginners are get confused themselves in between self and stored XSS. So let me repeat again. The self XSS execute only from user sides, means only current users are affected by that vector, and in the stored XSS the other users are affected by the same XSS vector. I have small examples for you here, which differentiate the self XSS and stored XSS. So this is the XSS which I have found in the speakerdeck.com. It's a GitHub on site, and the payload is executed in the username field, which means that whenever I logged into my account, the XSS vector get executed. Means only my account is infected from that XSS. Self XSS won't cause any damage, so it is considered on the low risk. Now let me show you my parse.com XSS finding. It's quite interesting. Remember, on the first add-on series I have introduced you to the one add-on which is called as a user agent switcher. I used this user agent switcher to find the XSS in parse.com. Let me show you it again. When I open parse.com, you can see here the PC version is getting loaded, and when I change my user agent to iPhone 3.0, it gives me the mobile version of parse.com. So this is the proof of concept in the proof of concept of parse.com. The vulnerability which self XSS which I found in the parse.com. The field is name field is vulnerable, and also this field is also vulnerable for self XSS. You can see here I changed my user agent to iPhone 3, which gives me the mobile version of parse.com. When I hit enter here, company name and job title, and when I hit the sign up button, the XSS vector get executed. You can see here I clicked on OK, and you can see the garbage code and at the bottom of this page. And when I open the parse.com again, the vector get executed. So here is the source code. You can see the name field is vulnerable. So simply I just change the user agent to its mobile version, and I analyze that the parse.com running different functionality for mobile version. So this is all about the parse.com. Now let's move on to my next POC, which is I found in yahoo.com. This is the subdomain of yahoo.com, marketingsolution.yahoo.com, and here I used a mouse over XSS vector which is executed in the username field, and when I hover on the username, the vector get executed. So these are the examples of the self XSS. Now let me show you how the stored XSS work. Now this vulnerability I have found in the last month, which is eSell.io. This company is owned by GitHub. So I have found here the stored XSS in their system. So let me play it again. The vulnerability present at the name. You can see here I have saved, and then after that I have made my personal project. After that it gives me the direct link which I copied and opened in the Chrome. So whenever I visited that link, the vector get executed, which shows me the document.url. So I hope you guys understood the difference between the self XSS and the store XSS. If you have any doubt about the XSS term, you can ask in our discussion panel, and Surji team will glad to reply them all.